Hello friends, today in maths we will study chapter 3 matrices. So first is what is matrix. So suppose we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these numbers we can arrange many ways like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in one column, or we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 two column, two vertical line and three horizontal line, or we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 two horizontal line and three vertical line. So like this way, many ways we can represent the numbers arrangement in the rectangular form. So the arrangement of any numbers or function in a rectangular array is called matrix. Now we will see the order of matrix. So just now we have seen the examples that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers we have arranged in the row in the one horizontal line. So you can see that there are only one row and 6 columns are there. So 1 cross 6. It is the order of 1 cross 6. Here we can write like this. In the one vertical column, then it has becomes a 6 horizontal line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the horizontal line we say row, then 6 row, and the vertical line we say column, then 1 column. So it will be called as 6 by 1. Suppose we write 2 vertical line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So horizontal lines are rows, so 3 rows and 2 columns, then it is called 3 by 2. Or we can write 2 horizontal line and 3 vertical columns, then it is called 2 cross 3. So any matrix which has the m rows A11, A21 such that AM1, and it has n column A1 and A2n such that AMN, then we can say that it has a m rows n column, then its order is m cross n. So any matrix order will be written as row number of row into number of column, and so this number of row into number of column we can multiply, then we get its total elements. Like here 1 into 6, so it has the 6 elements. 6 into 1, so 6 elements, like that way. So an order of matrix means it can will be written into the m cross n, where m is the number of row and n is the number of column. So if anybody say that write 1 cross 2 matrix. So 1 cross 2 matrix means we know that first is showing the number of row and second number is showing the number of column. So we can write that if we denote elements by A11, A12. So this matrix is called 1 cross 2 matrix. Suppose somebody says that write 3 cross 2 matrix. 3 cross 2 matrix means 3 rows and 2 columns. So first row will be A11, A12. Second row will be A21, A22. And third row will be A31, A32. So suppose matrix A is there, then Aij, its element will be written as Aij, where I will be the row number, J will be the column number. Suppose here written that A23, then we have to understand it, second row, third column element. So suppose we have matrix 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So anybody say that write the elements A to 1. A to 1 means second row, first element. So second row, first element is equals to 7. Suppose somebody says that write A 1, 3. So first row, third element, that will be 6. Now, suppose somebody asks how many matrix which contains the 6 elements can be written. So here in a matrix 6 elements are there. So 6 possible factors are 1 6 are, 6 1s are, 2 3s are, and 3 2s are. So we can write the 4 matrix which contains the 6 elements. Suppose we have question, write 3 cross 2 matrix such that Aij equals to 1 by 2 I minus 2j. So we have to write 3 cross 2 matrix, means 3 rows and 2 columns. So the required matrix A is there. Then we can write 3 rows means A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32. So now Aij, so A11 is equals to 1 by 2 I minus 2j. I minus 2j means I1 J1. So 1 minus 2 into 1, its modulus. So 2 1s are 2 minus 1, 1 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2. A21 is equals to 1 by 2 I equals to 2 and 2 into 1. So 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 0. So 0. A31 is equals to 1 by 2, 3 minus 2 into 1. So it is 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 by 2. A12. So I equals to 1, j equals to 2. So 1 by 2, 1 minus 2 into 2. So 1 minus 4. It is 3. So 3 by 2. A22 means 1 by 2, 2 minus 2 into 2. So 4 minus 2. It is 2, and so 2 by 2 equals to 1. A32 means 1 by 2, 3 minus 2 into 2. So 4 minus 3, it is 1, so 1 by 2. And so our required matrix is there. The 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1, 1 by 2. Now let's see the types of matrix. So first, column matrix. So if all the entries are written only in one column, like 1, 2, 3, then it is called column matrix, means the matrix which has the order m into 1, means only one column, it is called column matrix. Second is the row matrix. So the matrix which is written only in one row. it is called row matrix, means its order will be one row, so one and if n column and n, so 1 cross n. So the matrix which are of the type of m cross 1 means the one column only, it is called column matrix, while the row matrix means the matrix which has the 1 cross n order, that is means only the one row, it is called row matrix. Now the square matrix. So we know that in the square both the length and breadth are equal. So same way here, any matrix which has number of rows equals to number of columns. That is means m cross m or 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3. The number of rows and number of columns are equal. Then it is called square matrix. Now we will see diagonal matrix. So if we have matrix which has only diagonal entries and the remaining entries are 0, then it is called diagonal matrix. So the matrix which is in a diagonal entries are there and remaining entries are 0, it is called diagonal matrix. Now we have scalar matrix. So the matrix which has the diagonal entries are there and they are equal like 2, 2, 2, remaining entries are 0, then it is called scalar matrix. So diagonal matrix means only diagonal entries are n, but it contains in a diagonal remaining entries are 0, then it is called diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix is also one type of diagonal matrix, but in that one more property is there, all the entries must be equal, and so it is called scalar matrix. The identity matrix. So any matrix which has the diagonal entries are identity element 1, then it is called identity matrix. And the zero matrix means two matrices are there which has all the entries are 0, it is called zero matrix. Now let's see the equality of matrix. So in equality of matrix, two matrix comparison we will do. Suppose matrix A is given Aij m cross n and matrix B is given Bij, its order also m cross n. We want to compare this matrix, then that two matrices are said to be equals if its order is equal. Means first we have to check that the order is equal or not. Means 2 cross 3, then this matrix also 2 cross 3. 3 cross 2, then this matrix also 3 cross 2. Such matrix is called. So to compare with the equality of matrix, first we have to say that order is equal. Second, each entries are equal with the corresponding entries. Means A11 equals to B11. A12 equals to B12, like that way. Then we can say that two matrices are equal. So to check that two matrices are equal, then we have to check that its order and its elements are equal. For example, here we take 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here also we have A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to also 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they are said to be equal matrix. But if B equals to we take 5, 6, 7, 8, then we can say that their orders are same but entries are different, so they are not a equal matrix. Now we have a question The two matrices are given x plus 3 minus 6 b minus 3 z plus 4 a minus 1 minus 21 2y minus 7 0 0 0 minus 6 2b plus 4 6 minus 3 minus 21 3y minus 2 2c plus 2 0 are two equal matrices. Then find the values of unknown means x, y, z, a, b, c. So two matrices are equal, so we know that the corresponding entries are equal. So first entry equal with the first entry, so x plus 3 equals to 0. Second entry equals to second entry, so z plus 4 equals to 6. The first row third entry equals to first row third entry, so 2y minus 7 is equals to 3y minus 2. Now minus 6 and minus 6 are equal. A minus 1 is equals to minus 3. 0 equals to 2c plus 2. B minus 3 is equals to 2b plus 4. Minus 21 equals to minus 21. 0 equals to 0. Now we solve this 6 equation. So first x plus 3 equals to 0. So plus 3 we take from left side to right side equals to negative. So x equals to minus 3. Here plus 4 we will take another side. So it will be 6 minus 4 minus 2. 2y minus 7 3y minus 2. So 2y we take left side. So right side and 2 we minus 2 we bring the left side. And 2 minus 7 equals to 3y minus 2y. So it will be minus 5 equals to y. Here minus 1 we take another side, then minus 3 plus 1 it will be minus 2. Here 2 we take another side and 2c equals to minus 2. So c equals to minus 2 by 2 minus 1. And if we shift b and number both, so b minus 2b equals to 4 plus 3. So minus b equals to 7. So p is equals to minus 7. Now let's see the exercise 3.1. So in the question one matrix is given in 2, 5, 19 minus 7, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1 minus 5, 70. Now first question is that write the order of the matrix. So the order of the matrix, so order means number of row into number of columns. So there are 1, 2 and 3. 3 rows are so 3 and column are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 column. So its order will be 3 cross 4. Second is there the number of elements. So 3 rows, 4 columns. So 3 fours are 12 elements are there. And the third question is there, write the following elements, that is A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. So now we know that the first is the row number, second is the column number. So A13 means first row, third column. So first row, third column is the 19. A33 means the third row, third column. So third row, third column is the minus 5. A23 means the second row, third column. So second row, third column is 5 by 2. Then A21 second row, first column. So that is 35. A24 second row, fourth column. So it is 12. Now question 2 is there, if a matrix has 24 elements, what is the possible orders are there? So 24 elements is there. So we know that whatever factors of 24 are there, according to we can write, so 24 factors we can write 1 into 24, 24 into 1, if 2 divided 2 into 12, 12 into 2. If we divide by 3, then 3 into 8, and 8 into 3, and 4 into 6, and 6 into 4. And so the possible orders of matrix which contains the 24 elements are 1 cross 24, 2 cross 12, 3 cross 8, 4 cross 6, 24 cross 1, 12 cross 2, 8 cross 3, 6 cross 4. Now another question is what if it has 13 elements? So if it has 13 elements, you can think that the factors of 13. So it is 13 ones are and only 130 there. So only 2 matrices are possible. Same the question 3 is given. If 18 elements are there, then what are the possible elements? So here 18 elements are there. So 18 elements means 18 factors. So that we can write 1 18s are, 18 ones are, 2 9s are, 9 2s are, and 6 3s are, and 3 6 are. So 6 possible orders are there. In the same question, if what if we tell have 5 elements? So 5 elements, then 5 factors are 1 5s are and 5 1s are. So 2 orders are there. Now question 4 is that construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A equals to Aij whose elements Aij is given by I plus j whole square divided by 2. So 2 cross 2 matrix means 2 rows and 2 columns. So A11, A12, A21, A22. So we have 4 elements A11, A12, A21, A22 calculation. So A11, so I1 J1, so 1 plus 1 square by 2, so 2 square by 2, 4 by 2, it is 2. A12, so I1 J2, so 1 plus 2 square by 2, 3 square by 2, it is 9 by 2. A21, again 2 plus 1 square by 2, so same it is, so 9 by 2. A22, 2 plus 2 square by 2, so 4 square 16 by 2, 8, and so 4 entries are 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8. Question 4 and 5 remaining questions are same, so try yourself. Now we'll see the question 6. First question is there for x 3 5 equals to y verb z 5 are equal, then find x y z. So very simple, we compare the elements, then y equals to 4, z equals to 3 and x equals to 1. Now the second question in the question 6 is there x plus y, I plus z to xy equals to 6, 2, 5, 8. Then find the xy z. So here we compare, then x plus y equals to 6, I plus z equals to 5, and xy equals to 8. So from here y equals to 6 minus x and z equals to 5 minus 5 0. Now y equals to 6 minus x, submitting xy equals to 8. Then x into 6 minus x equals to 8. So 6x minus x square equals to 8. We factorize it. So x square minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. So factors are x minus 4, x minus 2 equals to 0. So x value is 4 or 2. So x value is 4 or 2. Then y also. If x 4, then y equals to 6 minus 4, 2, and x 2, then y equals to 4. The third question is that two matrices are given, x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z equals to another column matrix is given 9, 5, 7, and find the x, y, z. So x plus y plus z equals to 9, x plus z equals to 5, y plus z equals to 7. So from this we can write that x equals to 5 minus z and y equals to 7 minus z. This both the values submit in this equation, then 5 minus z plus 7 minus z plus z equals to 9. So 1 z cancel. So 12 minus z equals to 9, and so z equals to 3. Z equals to 3 submit here, and 5 minus 3 it is 2, and here 7 minus 3 it is 4. Now we have question number 7. A minus B, 2a plus C, 2a minus B, 3c plus D equals to minus 1, 5, 0, 30. Then find the values of A, B, C, D. So we can see here A minus B equals to minus 1, 2A plus C equals to 5, 2A minus B equals to 0, and 3C plus D equals to 30. So here A minus B and 2A minus B are same variables, and linear equation in two variables, so we solve them. Then by subtracting them we get minus A equals to minus 1. So A equals to 1. A equals to 1 we submit in this equation, then 1 minus B equals to minus 1. So minus B equals to minus 1 minus 1. So minus B equals to minus 2. So B equals to 2. Now A equals to minus 1 we submit in this equation. Then 2 into minus 1 plus C equals to 5. So minus 2 plus C equals to 5. So C equals to 5 plus 2, 7. Now C equals to 7. Submit in 3C plus D equals to 30. Then 3 into 7 plus D equals to 30. And so D equals to 13 minus 21. That will be minus 8. Now question 8 is that A equals to Aij. M cross N is a square matrix, then what is the possibility of M and N? So according to definition of square matrix, M and N must be equal, and so we can say that M equals to N. Question 9 is that 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x, equals to 0, y minus 2. 8 for the possible values of x and y, so we can compare them. 3x plus 7 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 7 by 3, and y minus 2 equals to 5, so y equals to 7. So possible values are minus 7 by 3 and 7. And the question 10 is there. We have to write 3 cross 3 matrix by 0 and 1. So in 3 cross 3 matrix, 9 places will be there, and each 9 places are filled by 2 ways, 0 and 1, and so the possible ways equals to 2 into 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 2, 9 ways. Sorry, 9 times 2 multiply, and so 2 raised to 9 is equals to 5, 1, 2.